Hello little young ones, how are you all? Good morning. Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn English subject. First tell me, how are you all? Yes, I hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, Miss is also fine. Okay, today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is there is. There is. Okay. Now tell me, what is the meaning of there is? There is we use singular object for there is. Okay. Yes. Now, what is this? Do you all know? Yes, this is a ball. So, we will use this object, singular object. How many balls Miss is having? Only one ball. So, what we will say, beta? There is one ball. There is one ball. Okay? Because ball is only one. Okay? Now, there is one pen. How you will use there is? There is one pen because Miss is having holding only one pen. Okay? Singular object. Yes, dear kids? I think you had understood. Now, like the same way, what Miss is holding now? Now, Miss is holding one pencil. This is also single. Okay? So, what you will say? There is one pencil. There is one pencil. Okay? Now tell me, what is this? This is a toy. One single toy. So, how you will use there is? So, we will make a sentence using this toy. Now, tell me, what is this? Is a toy. So, there is one toy. There is one toy. Whenever we use singular object, that time we will use beta there is. Okay. Now, I think you had understood the meaning of there is. Yes, dear kids? There is a toy. Again I am repeating. There is a toy. There is one toy. There is one toy. Yes. Now, there is a ball. There is one ball. There is one ball. Yes. Now, there is one pen. There is one pen. Now, there is one pencil. There is one pencil. Because singular. One single object. Whenever we will use single object, so that time we will use there is. Okay? Yes, understood? Okay. Now, I think you had understood the meaning of there is. Yes, dear kids? Now, we will use there are. That is plural. एक से ज़्यादा जब हमारे पास चीज़ें रहती है, उस समय हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे बेटा? There are. There are. Okay. So, for this also I will give the example for you. That is, now tell me, how many toys are there on the chair? There are. So let's count the toys. 1, 2, 3. 3 toys. There are 3 toys on the chair. Yes. Yes, now tell me, how many crayons are here? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Using there are 5 crayons. on the table. Okay. There are 5 crayons on the table. Yes, dear kids? Now tell me how many balls are here? 1. So let's count 1, 2, 3. Okay. There are now using there are. Okay. Now we will use there are. There are 3 balls. There are 3 balls. Yes? Okay, there are 3 balls. Where the balls are kept? On the chair. There are 3 balls kept on the chair. Okay, dear kids? Now look at these pictures very carefully. Yes? Look at these pictures and read the sentence. Okay? Now look at this picture, beta. How many boys are there in the park? Now count the boys. How many boys are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 boys are here. So, what will be the answer? There are 3 boys in the park. कहाँ पर है बच्चे? बच्चे जो है बगीचे में है ना? So, there are 3 boys in the park. Yes, dear kids? Now, look at this picture very carefully. So, how many toys are there in the basket? ये basket के अंदर कितने खिलौने हैं? तो आप क्या बताओगे इसके आंसर में? There is. क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक ही खिलौना है, so that's why we are using there is, है ना बेटा? So there is only one toy in the basket. क्या रहेगा आंसर में? सिर्फ एक ही खिलौना बास्केट के अंदर है. ओके. Now look at this picture बेटा. How many girls are there in the class? Okay. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? कितने लड़कियां क्लास के अंदर है. ओके. सो लेट्स काउंट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. ओके. सो हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स आर देयर? देयर आर 7 गर्ल्स इन द क्लास. ओके. क्या लिखोगे आप? वहाँ पर 7 लड़कियाँ है. क्लास में 7 लड़कियाँ है. ओके. हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स आर देयर इन द क्लास? कितने लड़कियाँ क्लास में है? तो देयर आर 7 गर्ल्स इन द क्लास. ओके. वी आर यूजिंग हियर देयर आर. देयर आर मीन्स एक से ज़्यादा जहाँ पर रहते हैं बेटा मेनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके. सो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे गर्ल्स है, इसीलिए यहाँ पर देयर आर का यूज़ हुआ है. ओके. ओके. नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर वेरी केयरफुली. हाउ मेनी बॉयज आर रनिंग इन द प्लेग्राउंड? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कितने बच्चे मैदान पर दौड़ रहे हैं. तो इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? देयर इज ओनली वन बॉय रनिंग इन द प्लेग्राउंड. सिर्फ एक ही बच्चा, एक ही लड़का जो है मैदान पे दौड़ रहा है. ओके. नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर केयरफुली बेटा. ओके. हाउ मेनी ओल्ड मैन आर देयर ऑन द रोड? कितने बुजुर्ग है यहाँ पर? तो 1 and 2. सो देयर आर 2 ओल्ड मैन ऑन द रोड. कितने हैं बेटा? 2 बुजुर्ग है ना? इसलिए यहाँ पर देयर आर का इस्तेमाल हुआ है. व्हेनेवर वी यूज मोर देन, as you know that whenever we use more than one object, that time you will use there are. Okay. Yes. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a watch. Okay. How many watches are there? There is only one watch. There is only one watch. What will be the answer beta? There is only one watch because single watch is here. Okay, that's why we are using there is. Okay, yes dear kids. Now look at my hand. How many fingers are there in a hand? How many fingers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now here we will use there are. There are 5 fingers in a hand. There are 5 fingers in a hand. Okay. Why we will use there are? Because there are many fingers. Yes dear kids. I think you had understood what is the meaning of there is and there are and what are the difference between them. Yes. Okay. Yes, dear kids, now I will show the picture beta. So, you will read this. How, take out page number 107. Okay. How many clocks are there? How many clocks are there? There is one clock. How many clocks are here beta? One clock. So, there is one clock. Yes dear kids. Now, how many fingers are there in a hand? How many fingers are there in a hand? अपने हाथ में कितने fingers होते हैं? 5, as you already know. So, there are 5 fingers in a hand. Okay. Now look at this picture. Yes, look at this picture very carefully. How many girls are there in the classroom? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now what will be the answer dear kids? There are 3 girls in the classroom. There, T-H-E-R-E, there are how many girls? 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3 girls in the classroom. There are 3 girls in the classroom. Okay, full stop. Yes dear kids, I think you had understood. How many girls? 3 girls. Now look at this picture. Yes, there is one table and one glass. Okay. The question is, how many glasses are there on the table? Yes, मेज पर कितने ग्लासेस है? तो आप क्या लिखोगे? There is T-H-E-R-E. There is one glass. One glass on the table. Okay. There is one glass on the table. On the table. You have to again give the full stop. Okay dear kids. So you have to complete this page beta and send it to me. I think you had understood the topic very well. There is and there are. Okay. So try to read and complete. Send it to me. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you.